I'm going to show you a statistic that will definitely blow your mind. Imagine these are all the individuals in India who have some life insurance policy. Chances are that every 3 out of 4 of these policy holders will have a policy given by a single massive company, LIC. The Life Insurance Corporation is huge. So much that if all the LIC customers form a country, then this country will be the 4th largest in the world with a giant population of over 29 crores. And this massive company is now getting ready for what will likely be the biggest IPO in India. So just like we had explored the size of Reliance in one of our previous videos, in this one, we will answer. LIC started with a capital of only 5 crores in 1956. But today, it controls assets of over 37 lakh crores. That is a huge amount. It's bigger than the GDP of more than 75% of the countries in the world. It's more than 5 times the net worth of the royal UK family. And it's equal to the size of India's massive mutual fund industry. In fact, even the number of agents working with LIC is massive. They are more than the population of many Asian countries like Bhutan, Bahrain, Maldives, Macau, Cyprus, Brunei, and Timor. Let's pause for a minute and look at all the other life insurance companies that India has. Out of these, the biggest is HDFC Life. It has a market share of 8%. That's actually pretty big. But even this is nothing when compared to LIC that has a market share of a whopping 64%, more than 8 times that of its closest competitor. In fact, even if we put all the other life insurance companies together, LIC is still much, much bigger. It is present in 91% of Indian districts, whereas the private sector insurers together cover only 81%. LIC has 113 divisional offices, 2,048 branch offices, 1,526 satellite offices, and 1,178 mini offices. Imagine, just the amount of land it owns is a lot. Not many know this, but LIC has made its mark outside India as well. If you travel to Kenya, you will find the Ken India Assurance Company. It's the largest non-life insurer in Kenya and is partly owned by none other than LIC. Moving on to the islands of Mauritius. LIC has been operating here for the past 6 decades, and it was also the first life insurer in the secluded Mauritian island of Rodrigues. LIC also has its branches in Fiji and the UK. LIC International is